In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trigger a webhook in make.com. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to create a webhook and use it to trigger automation inside your scenarios. First, log into your make.com account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new scenario. This opens a blank canvas where you'll build your automation workflow. On the canvas, click the plus button to add a module. In the search bar, type Webhooks and select the custom Webhook module. This is what allows external tools or apps to trigger your scenario. Next, click the option to add a new webhook. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, especially if you create multiple workflows. After naming it, click Save. Make.com will now generate a unique webhook URL. This link is the trigger. Anytime data is sent to this URL from another app, form or script, it will activate your scenario and run whatever modules you've connected after it. You can now continue building your workflow by adding more modules to process the incoming data, like storing it, sending notifications, or triggering actions in other apps. And that's it. You've successfully set up and triggered a webhook in make.com. This simple tool opens the door to powerful automations across your systems. Thanks for watching and happy automating!